Now we're gonna make this cute little Halloween decoration. I'm starting with a little bottle, and we just put this little sticker with the spider on here. So now I've already started filling it with the gold and black fill. So I'm just gonna kind of finish that up and then top it off with the cellophane fill. And I'm gonna take my Bowdabra Champagne Angel Mesh ribbon, which kind of is a spidery look, so that's why I picked it. Then we're gonna fold the Bowdabra bow wire in half and lay this down into my Bowdabra. You can probably make this also in the Mini Bowdabra, but I have my regular Bowdabra out, so it just makes it a little simpler. And I'm just making a scrunchy bow. So I'll just take my Bowdabra wand and scrunch it down. Then I have this Halloween ribbon that's got little orange glitter on it. Now I'm just going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull this through my slipknot, hold it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm going to separate my ends, bring them around to the back. And I'm going to take one of my glue dots. I'm going to put that right there. And I'm going to take another one and just kind of going to shape this out. I'm going to put a little glue dot right in the middle. And I'm going to stick my little spider on there. And then I'm going to stick this on top here on the glue dot that I put on the bottle. And then I have this other spider, and I'm gonna just put, again, I'm actually using Zots, not glue dots, so I don't wanna, and put him right there. And you have this really cute little decoration for Halloween. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below. And also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.